Hey babies, it's J Diamond and I am back with another video. Y'all, I gotta get going, so I'm gonna make this intro real quick. As you can see by the title and thumbnail, this is gonna be a get ready with me for my vacation vlog. I'm going to St. Thomas and yeah, we got stuff to do. I'm about to go to my nail appointment right now. Y'all, I'm about to go to the best freaking nail tech in New York City, okay? I'm gonna leave her ad down below. I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna take you guys along with me for today. As you can see, my hair is done. Y'all, yesterday I got my hair done and it was so freaking crazy yesterday, so I did not get to record. My sister did do my hair though, and she definitely bodied. I'm so obsessed with the way it came out. I literally been feeling to do like a goddess, braids, twist, like anything, and it just looks so cute. Shout out to her because I definitely had to force her to do my hair. But yeah, y'all, I gotta go. I'm kind of on a time crunch right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my hair like when I get back home and take this hat off and all of that. But right now we gotta hurry up and get to my nail appointment, so I'll get back to you in a little bit. This is the nail appointment fit. If y'all can hear my dog barking in the background, it's because I'm about to leave him and he crying, but don't mind him. Yeah, this is the fit. I gotta go, y'all. I definitely forgot to put my nose rings in, so I'm about to do that right now and then head out. Oh my god, I literally hate leaving him. It's okay, baby. Mommy's gonna look like a baddie. Okay, y'all. I literally just traveled 2 hours and 40 minutes to get here, y'all. But y'all, her work is gonna be so worth it. Like, I'm so excited. I'm walking to her now from the train. I got like 5 minutes of the walk left. So I'm about to be at her shop. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to meet her. But yeah, y'all are gonna see in a second. I'm here, y'all. You gotta come in my video. Where's my nail tag? Stop!
Yeah, right? I've seen her name. This is so her.
Y'all, I love her now.
This little shit right here.
Stop! You're so cute for this.
Yeah, look. Christmas ornaments for your tree.
You're so cute.
I'm obsessed with her. I ain't gonna lie. After seeing it on you, the girl is definitely, yeah, aesthetic is very much given.
I'm not. She's not cute for this. She's a vibe. Like, it's a vibe in here. Yo, why my nails like just rolled up for me? I'm not gonna show that on YouTube because, yeah. But she put on bodies.
Why my bad bitch I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
high volume.
Okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. He came on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty.
Yo, she ate down. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, this is my best set yet. Y'all go book my girl right now. Stop playing with the designs. Bruh, she ate real bad. Hey y'all, it is currently the next day. Yes, I'm talking like this because my nail tech bodied my freaking nails. Oh my gosh, I gotta just give y'all a close-up real quick because I am freaking in love. Y'all, go book her. Like, I cannot stress this enough. Go book her, go book her, go book her. You're gonna get bomb freaking nails and a discount. You can't go wrong. This is the hair, y'all. My sister did her big one. It's so long. I love it. Y'all, I'm literally so hyped. But let me just tell you, I'm up so early right now. It's only about like 8 or 9 o'clock at the moment. And I'm just up super early because, first of all, I've been up since like 6 actually. but I'm up early because I have so much to do today. Y'all, why I waited till the day before we leave to start packing everything? Like, I literally have nothing at all packed. Like, nothing. So I have to get all my outfits together. I have to pack all my dog stuff because my grandma's watching him while me and my girlfriend are gonna be gone. And so yeah, I'm pretty much done packing all his stuff though, because I did that like right away today. I just have to like find his little booties to pack in his bag, and then that's about it. Thank God my mother-in-law is coming to pick him up and bringing him to my grandma, because y'all, I literally have too much to do today, like too much. So if I would have had to bring him over there, yeah. But yeah, it's not really much. But look at this cute little bucket hat that my mother-in-law got for him. Y'all, look at my son and his bucket. You are too cute. You say hi? Y'all, he looks so freaking cute with this little hat. Are you kidding me? I gotta get him some sunglasses now. I kinda miss you. But yeah, this is all his stuff I'm getting together. I think I'm gonna bring this bed for him because he likes this one better than the other one. But yeah, once my son's fully situated, then I can start getting my stuff together. Like I said, I literally have to pick out all of my outfits today. Like, I have to pick out my outfits. I have to put my clothes away that I just washed, which is a bunch of freaking clothes. So I have to do that before I actually start figuring out outfits. I have to try on my stuff to see how everything is gonna look. My sister is also gonna help me like just refresh some of the curls before I leave tomorrow. So I gotta do that later. I'm also like fix my eyebrows up and stuff, my edges. I gotta pack my makeup, my bags, just everything, y'all. Like I can't even talk to y'all right now because I gotta start. Oh my gosh, my toes, y'all, they look so cute. And she gave me these cute little anklets. Like, are you kidding me? She sells these, y'all. So if you're gonna go to her for like a cute little toe set, definitely grab you some anklets. And she also had like cute toe rings, but I forgot to get some. My girlfriend is also coming over later because we're gonna leave together in the morning. So y'all will definitely see her in this vlog. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna just take you guys along with me for the day. I don't even know how this day is gonna go, but we're gonna see. I forgot to tell y'all too, I bought this clothing rack like the other day, and I need to put this up to put the rest of my clothes that I just washed. So I think I'm gonna have to put this up right now before I start putting away my clean clothes, because yeah, I have no space here, y'all.
You know it's very expensive to date me. Tell them go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick. With a limp, I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, you say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Hey,
y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I completely forgot I was even vlogging today. I've been so just stressed all freaking day. Oh my gosh, I'm just now finally almost done packing. I have one more outfit to pick out, and then I think I'm completely done. But I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek of the outfit, because my plan was to like show you guys me putting together the fits and stuff, but like I said, I've just been super stressed and everything just took way longer than I thought it was going to. But I can't leave y'all hanging, so hold on, just hold on. Okay, I actually lied to y'all. Everything is like too tightly packed to take out right now. I'm so sorry, but I will insert some pics of my items that I have so you guys kind of know the looks I'm going for or whatever. By the way, it's like 12 a.m. past 12 a.m. right now. My girlfriend is almost here. She's been also packing all day today, so we both just been kind of everywhere. That's why she's coming this late. But yeah, she's actually going to pick me up some food right now because I have not eaten since earlier and I'm starving. So she's the real MVP for that. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when she gets upstairs. Just Trish is literally always on. Like, I'm packing everything into this cute little juicy duffel bag. It's so freaking cute, y'all. I'm organizing everything in like Shein and Kali bags because yeah, but this bag is so cute and it's gonna look so cute with my airport kit. Y'all are gonna see. Y'all, and of course my freaking Hello Kitty neck pillow would get ruined in the wash right before I leave. Like, are you kidding me? Literally just messed up. Like, it's okay though. Okay, y'all, it's currently 2:30 in the morning. I'm still up, y'all. I just got out the shower. I had to do my everything shower. If you know, you know. I didn't finish packing until like so late, y'all. I literally had to pack one more outfit, but I'm finally all done packing. My girlfriend's sleeping right now. I'm gonna show you her in a second, but I still have a few more things to do. I literally have to get up in 2 hours, y'all, so I'm debating if I should even sleep, because to be honest, I can sleep on the plane. So I might just do that because I want to do my makeup. Like, I'm gonna have stuff to do and I'm gonna be so tired, so I might just stay up and do it and then sleep on the plane, to be honest. Even though I am like super tired and all I want to do is lay down. But I didn't even finish eating. Like, I just been rushing. I also gotta fix up my eyebrows and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, y'all. But let me go show you my girlfriend. Y'all, she's so tired. I almost woke her up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end out the video here because I gotta start my morning basically. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even though I didn't really get to record how I wanted to for this video, I hope you guys still enjoyed. I'm just honestly trying to get more content up for you guys, and I thought this would be cute. So, and yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below and let me know any other video suggestions you guys may have for me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Definitely stay tuned for my vacation vlog. That vlog is gonna be super cute. I'm gonna try to record a lot while we're away, so yeah, stay tuned for that. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you in my next video.
I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I'm wasted.